Hello, my name is Felix Meyer, and as a product manager, I'm responsible for the network diagnostics product at Softing Industrial. As a representative of the PACTware Consortium, I would like to introduce the device catalog to you. As you have heard in the previous video on the main features of PACTware, the software needs to have respective drivers installed for all network devices. That driver software is called Device Type Manager, or short DTM. It contains all necessary data and functionalities of a respective network device. Basically, we can distinguish between two different types of DTMs, the device DTMs and the communication DTMs. Communication DTMs are being used by infrastructure components such as gateways, remote I/Os, or segment couplers. Those devices are made to just forward information and data through various communication layers and bus systems. Device DTMs provide a comprehensive functionality around the field devices being used. This includes parameterization, configuration, documentation, and diagnosis of those devices. For some bus systems, profile DTMs as well as generic DTMs exist. A generic hard DTM, for example, provides all basic functionalities that need to be covered by any hard device and that are independent from any manufacturer. For Profibus devices, so-called profile DTMs exist and cover distinct functionalities such like measuring the pressure, the temperature, or the filling level. To display the device catalog in PACTware, you choose View in the menu bar and go to Device Catalog, which will then be shown. Subsequently, the user can browse all DTMs that are installed and sort them by vendor, group, type, or protocol. If you have some recent DTMs installed and you start the PACTware, the device catalog will be opened automatically. That refresh can be conducted manually with the respective button. To avoid installing all DTMs one by one, device vendors usually offer DTM libraries for download. Those libraries consist of several DTMs that describe a protocol type or product group. One could use a DTM library that describes a filling sensor, for example. Another example would be a DTM library describing hard devices. In case a certain DTM is not available, it can be downloaded from the device manufacturer's website. And it's also being supported by the respective device manufacturer. PACTware, efficient management of any DTM catalog.